Hello and good day. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to repost old items on Offerup. So in order to repost items on Offerup, what you want to do is first log on to your Offerup app, then go on to where it says My Listings. Now, the way that I repost old items on Offerup is to actually click on my listing. Let's actually scroll down and find an old listing. So here is a FlexiSpot sit to stand desk converter. What I'll do is I'll actually click the FlexiSpot sit to stand desk converter, and those three dots on the right hand side, I'll click those, and then I'll click on sell another. So once you click on sell another, it's going to keep the same title. You just have to input your photos, add a description. So what I'll do is I'll actually say test, and I'll click on next. I won't select the photo though, just because it's going to show some of my old photo album, but usually clicking on the three dots next to an old item and then clicking on sell another does the trick as far as reposting old items on Offerup goes. So that is how you repost old items on Offerup. You just simply find the old item and then click on it and then click on the three dots and then click on sell another. And when you actually do that, it's actually going to show your listing as like a new listing since you've posted another. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.